everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the Aussie dollar US dollar FX for Thursday, August 8th, 2013. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today. A candle that's made a higher high and a higher low, and a very large white bodied candle. Prior to this trading, we saw a very strong and substantial sell-off from the 92.21 level, and testing down below the solid support level at 90 cents, extending down through the 89 level, and then the market rallying on the back of a bullish harami pattern and some indecisive small body candles, with the establishment of a first time frame uptrend that tested the 90 cent level, and today a solid breakout and solid bullish close up above the 90 cent level, with the market closing just above the 91 level. Very large white body candle suggesting that the buyers have made a significant amount of net bullish progress, and the amount of net bullish progress that we've seen here today is matching these type of black candles that we saw in the recent past a couple of weeks ago, and suggesting that the buyers have found some new gain strength in this market. The buyers have also closed up towards the high and certainly well above the midpoint level, suggesting that the buyers have closed with very strong control of this market. In terms of the Fibonacci extension here, today we've seen the market test in a bullish manner up towards the 161.8% level, but failing to close above the 161.8% level, and that may be significant with this price rejection that we've seen from the small shadow on the top. But with the buyers being so strong and closing with strong control, it does suggest that the market may trade higher, and if we see strong early activity up above the 161.8% level, we could see the market testing to the 261.8% level at 92.89. That coincides with this previous strong resistance level around here, around the 93 level. Let's watch for a potential change of trend, but based on the market being rejected from the 161.8% level, but it really doesn't look likely. I think if some selling does come in, I'm not so sure that the trend will actually change to a lower high and a lower low to match this solid bullish momentum that we've seen. In terms of the Fibonacci retracement here, once again, important activity at the 61.8% level with this method, and so now we're creating a little picture that perhaps we may see some rejection from this area again. The market failed to close up above there, but as I've mentioned, the short-term dynamics with the buyers being in control and finding strong upside momentum doesn't really fit with this rejection that we've seen, and it does suggest that the market may trade to higher levels, but we still do keep an eye on the market for any potential sell-off from here. The 78.6% level is right at the 92 level, and then once again the 100% level is at the important area, roughly around that 93 level of previous resistance. In terms of Ichimoku here, obviously a bearish market in the long-term time frame with the market trading down below the cloud, but we've had a fairly strong change of sentiment in this market in the medium and fast-term time frames, with this bullish close up above both the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, and this does suggest that there is potential for the market to trade higher and perhaps test up to the 92.21 level, or even higher to the 93 level. If we look just here in the recent past, there was some support around the 91.39 level, and we can see the shadows extending down roughly to that level, and today a small shadow with the market being rejected from that level to the downside, so previous support has now turned into an area of resistance in a minor way. So a breakout up above the high here will be important if the market is going to trade to higher levels, so let's keep an eye on that as an important area of resistance in this very short-term time frame. If the market does come off, then we do have strong support at the Kijun-sen, that's at 90.83 or 9.9083, and we're seeing the market find support there already as this current day is developing, but also down around the Tenkan-sen about 90.28, and then at the round number 90 cents, so very solid support down below. So really a lot of what this market is going to do, if we're going to see continued bullishness, does hinge around how the market reacts around the high of this current candle. If we do trade there, if we see strong bullish activity up above there, we could quickly see the market testing up to 92.21.